Hi lovelies, and welcome back to our channel TV. I just have this hair curl style to show to you guys today. I've always been making the other types of curls, calling the hair extension for my girls, but today I decided to make this style called watermelon style. Yes, it's called the watermelon type of hair extension twist. Okay, I already was done with weaving the hair. I weaved up to a point, like as you can see. I stopped, kind of pick and drop. Now I am twisting the weavings, two. I take two, I twist carefully and perfectly in such a way that it will not loosen. Okay, that will give it the perfect look. Just watch the way I am doing it. Twist, twist, twist tight and twist very well. Then after, it is time to put it inside hot water, boiled water, okay? But while doing it, be careful you don't get the skin burnt. I use the spoon to take water up, as high as I could to get it as perfect as possible. You see how I did it. So this is how you do it. Do it carefully without burning your child's skin. Okay, I sectioned it into parts. It wasn't possible to do it all at once to get it well done. Be careful not to burn your child with the hot water. That's just it. It's simple and it's beautiful. Like I said, twist to a point, depending on how you want it to be, before you, as in weave up to a point, depending on how you want it. Then you twist two, like that. Now I am done putting it in hot water. I am loosening the twist I made. And guys, believe me, you're going to love this hairstyle. You're going to love it. And this color of extension, I used two colors, kind of black and yellow. Came out so perfect. I did it as well, the same style for my other girl, but that one was black and brown. Then at the end, you trim the tips. Don't cut too much. Trim it and look at it. Tell me, is it not beautiful? Just look at that. Those curls, just look at it. Just look at the color of the hair extension. So beautiful. Please, if you're coming and you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share out our videos for others to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.